am Nikita H. Welcome to Code to Create channel. Before getting into the video, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Please do watch the video till the end, and if you liked it, please like it and share it with your friends. Friends, if you have any comments, please do comment below in the box. Let's go for it. So in this video, basically we're going to draw a graph, but I'm not going to run it over here because mine won't work. You'll have to do it in PyCharm, but currently my PyCharm is not working right. So basically you're given a data set which is present in the LMS. You have to create a new data set over here in the Excel, and you will have to put the Excel name, but I have not created anything right now, so I'm not going to put it, but you can do that and work it out with it. And then you have containing the numbers occurring in the hurricanes occurring in the United States along the coast of Atlantic. Load the data from the data set into your program and plot a bar graph. The year as the x-axis and the number of hurricanes occurring as the y-axis. So that's all you're gonna do. You're just gonna make x-axis and y-axis, and you're going to present the data. Yeah, so basically you're going to draw the data. You're going to draw the graph. So let's do that. So first thing we are going to do is we're going to import pandas as PD, and then I'm importing matplotlib dot pyplot, which means Python plot, as plt. Then we are coming down and saying df is basically a variable. I'm saying df is equal to pd dot read. Here we are going to read the data underscore CSV. That's all. And I'm giving the file name that we have. So I'm just naming this, but I don't have any file right now. So I'm naming this as hurricanes.csv. And then I'm coming down while it's syntax. Okay, and then I'm saying x-axis. So x is just a variable saying representing the x-axis. We're saying df and putting out the square bracket saying year. So we are just saying that this is the year and this is the number of hurricanes. So I'm saying y is equal to df and the hurricanes. Yeah, and then let's come out. You saw the error is gone. Let's come down and say plt, which we are using the matplotlib over here. I'm saying plt dot bar the x and y. So over here we are just basically saying we have the x-axis and we have the y-axis. That's all. And then I'm coming down saying plt dot x label. We are labeling the x-axis as year. So let's delete this much and say year. And then let's come out and say plt dot y label as hurricanes. Yeah, and then we are drawing a grid out. So for that I'm saying plt dot grid. Yeah, and then I'm coming down saying plt dot title. We are setting the title also over here, saying hurricanes versus year. That's all. We're just saying that x-axis have the year and the y-axis have the hurricanes. And I'm setting the title over here. Then I'm coming down saying plt dot set p. As you don't know this sentence, I'll be explaining you. Just let me complete. I'm saying plt dot gca dot get underscore x tick label labels, comma. Okay, so I have done a mistake over here. Here should be the parentheses. We are going to remove this. And I'm going to end this up over here saying tick labels, comma, the rotation is equal to 90 degrees. We are setting the rotation. The horizontal alignment is equal to right. Horizontal alignment is equal to right. Okay. So I've done a mistake. This should be in the single quotes. I'm saying them right. And then let's come out and say, okay, we should end this up. Yeah. And then I'm coming down and saying plt dot show. We're just showing the data over here. That's all. What's wrong? It's saying invalid syntax. Yeah, we put 2 commas over here. So that error is gone. So over here we are basically saying x-axis. Let's see what code we wrote from the starting. We have imported the pandas in matplotlib, and then we are reading the file called hurricanes that I have not created. You can create the data, put the data inside it, and you have to give the name that you have put .csv. And then in the x-axis you're going to put the year, and in the y-axis you're going to put the hurricanes. And then I'm saying plt.bar. So the x and y axis, I'm representing it over here. So I'm writing down in a parenthesis x comma y. And then the x label is going to be year, and the y label is going to be hurricanes. And then I'm creating a grid saying the title as hurricanes versus the year. So here basically we're just going to say the title as hurricanes versus year. And here we're going to set the axis. So let's just write it down so that we don't get confused. I'm saying rotate axis labels. So here we're going to rotate the axis labels. So we have set the alignment and the rotation of it. And then you're showing the data over here. That's all. It's like printing the data. So it will draw a graph like I'll just show you over here. Like this. It will draw like this x-axis, and it will draw the y-axis like this. And then here is going to be the graph. Like this. That's all. It will just show you the graph. That's it. But right now I don't have the file, so it's not going to show me anything. Yeah, so now let's save it up. We'll say how to draw a graph. Yeah, I'm just naming this as draw graph. So yeah, now we know how to draw a graph in Python. That's great, you know. You can just do it in PyCharm. Right now my PyCharm is not working. So I have to uninstall and install it. So yeah, this is the code that you have to do for representing the graphs. That's it. So yeah, now you know how to represent a graph. That's really good.
Thank you, friends. Bye bye.